Okay, so now what I want to do, present concern is that this is not happening. 12 until you change this, that is not getting changed. But this is not I required. What I need, any change on this, any change on this will change this. Little architecture you need to change, right? So you can go here. Let me close all the things and let us go inside the service first. You need to go inside the service first. So this is your logical service. Getting that thing? Here it is what your logical service. So what we can do, and here you can say on change, or here straight away you can have one event emitter, event emitter. So what it is going to emit, right? It is going to emit total all the time. It is going to emit what? Total. So here you can say number is equals to new event emitter. So this is the wrong event emitter we have imported. Remember that event emitter should be from Add Angular core package. Do you remember we have used event emitter at somewhere else? Can you tell me where we have used event emitter before this? We have used event emitter somewhere. Where? Huh? View or in directives? Which binding? And what event binding? Why at the time of event binding? Do you remember we have seen something called as custom input, custom output? At the time of creating custom events, we have used, right, add output, and type of add output is event emitter. So we have used event emitter for emitting the events, right? So at the time of add output, the variable whose type is, or the variable who has attached with add output decorator, the type of that variable should be event emitter. That we have at the time of creating, we have seen at the time of creating custom events, right? Need to practice. Practice is very important. All these questions are interview questions, nothing likely different, right? System is not working properly. Hang again, it is hang. So from last week it is too much hanging, suspending too much. Now it's time to change it. Well, now what will happen, you can see, change in any number will result in calculating the total. Change in any number will result in calculating the total. Means you change, I am going to emit. You change, I am going to emit. You change, I am going to emit. So one component is going to emit and one component is going to subscribe. See, existing code I am not going to change at all, but I am going to improve this code for the first component as well. In the first component, I need to make some changes, and that need to be reflected in the, that need to